But now we want a team leader, a person who has to influence others with his ideas, a person who has to, first of all, convey the ideas, which is clearly understood by others. Now, if in that only you're hunting for words and you say, what if I do if I use a bit of Hindi? That means your vocabulary is not strong.
नाउ एक बहुत बड़ा मिथ है कि भाई हिंदी में अगर बोलेंगे तो क्या होगा, तो इन कॉन्टेक्स्ट ऑफ जीटी what do you have to say on this? मतलब कई बार नहीं आते उनको, they're not able to express themselves properly, so if they use Hindi on and off, is it okay?
Well, let us look at it from this point of view, that this discussion which is taking place right now and the candidates who come for SSB, some of them, they think that it is the northern states which will work. First of all, the word Hindi itself, matter of surprise that our country has still not adopted a national language. Therefore, it may be Hindi, it may be a local language. If somebody else will say, what will happen if I speak in Bengali, if I speak in Tamil, or if I speak in my Malayalam? Well, it is just like that. That is why you have the whole system in English, because it is the professional language in which is commonly accepted by all. So friends, the entire SSB is supposed to be and is carried out in English. It's a professional language, and it's a professional language for the armed forces also. So therefore, as far as Hindi is concerned, if you speak in Hindi, there may be a boy who's come from Kerala, a boy who's come from Mizoram, or a boy who's come from Tamil Nadu. He will not understand. But at least we can say that English, you appeared in your exam in English. So we take it that you can also speak in English. Now, if you fall short of words, maybe a few here and there don't matter much. But now we want a team leader, a person who has to influence others with his ideas, a person who has to, first of all, convey the ideas, which is clearly understood by others. Now, if in that only you're hunting for words and you say, what if I do if I use a bit of Hindi? That means your vocabulary is not strong. So the first quality, power of expression, is lost. It is not complete. Now we go for the second part, ability to influence a group. That will also not be complete. So, well, friends, you have to have simple working knowledge of English. As long as you can convey your idea in a language or in a way we can understand, that is good enough. In fact, I'll use the word in the way that we can understand. All right. And of course, when it comes to the groundwork, there your verbal part doesn't come in, but rather your ability to apply your ideas practically, which matter. So in tasks like progressive group task or half group task, command task, group obstacle race, a little bit of mix of Hindi in English or something else which others will understand does not matter much, as long as the action is taking place. But when it comes to tasks of verbal nature, please try and stick to simple, easily understandable English.
Okay, I think very aptly conveyed. Yes, English is the primary language. However, somewhere, if they get stuck once in a while, you can use Hindi phrase or two and revert back to English. That's what the standard briefing is also.